Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I'll show you how to manage app permissions on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first just open settings, scroll down from the top and press this button in the corner. Next look for the app section. Here it is. Then look for the app you want to manage the permissions of. Let's see. Let's for example change Chrome permissions. Then click on permissions. Here it says what permissions are allowed. You can remove them from here or grant them from here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the HardReset channel for videos. Leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.